So right, next electric circuit. The circuit will comprise of the first one energy source, and second one passive slash active components, and third one load. So these are the three in the past class we will easily learn. So then here now we can discuss about a topic called as passive. So what is meant by a passive? So passive means it cannot create any energy. Passive means cannot create any energy. It can only dissipate the energy. In the form of a heat. So this is called as a passive components. Passive components cannot also have any power gain. That means no power gain will be exist in a passive. So once again I repeat that passive is a component which cannot create any energy, that can dissipate the energy in the form of a heat. It cannot provide any power gain. So what about the passive components? So how many classification are there? There are only having three. One is resistor, and second one capacitor, and third one inductor. So now we'll discuss about a resistor. So resistor is nothing but called as a opposition of the electrons, oppose or reject of electrons. Reject of electrons is nothing but called as a passive. So resistor is nothing but called as a passive component which can oppose or reject the charge carriers, reject the electrons flows through any circuit. That means simple ga cheppachante it can limit the flow of current. It can limit the flow of electrons. Flow of electrons is nothing but current. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏదైనా ఒక సర్క్యూట్లో ఒక బల్బ్ కానీ ఇలా బల్బు ద బల్బ్ విల్ బి గ్లో వెరీ లైట్గా గ్లో అవుతుంది. మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే హియర్ దే కెన్ యూజ్ ఏ రెసిస్టర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే విచ్ కెన్ లిమిట్ ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ కరెంట్. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ speed breaker in a road. So the symbol of resistor is nothing but called as like this. Here if you can take it as a speed breaker, when a vehicle is moving on this road, so whenever a speed breaker occurs, so the bike rider automatically limits its speed. Like that here also the resistor which comprises in the circuit, it can automatically limits the flow of electrons or flow of current in that circuit. So it is represented by circuit symbol like this. So simple ga meer cheppalante resistor is a nothing but opposition of flow of electrons through any circuit. So it is represented by capital R, here I. So and what about the units of resistance? That is called as Ohm's law. So what is meant by Ohm's law? Ohm's law means ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అవుతుందంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? హియర్ వీ కెన్ అప్లై ఏ పొటెన్షియల్ అప్లై చేస్తేనే కదా కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అయ్యేది. దట్ మీన్స్ వెన్ ఎనర్జీ సోర్స్ ఇస్ అప్లైడ్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లోస్ త్రూ ఏ రెసిస్టర్. I into R ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది? E. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ Ohm's law. E is equal to IR. That is E is directly proportional to I. So here the potential which is applied to a resistor is directly proportional to the current flows through it. So therefore E is equal to I into R, or I is equal to E by R, or R is equal to E by I, where resistance unit is nothing but called as a ohm. Ohm. It is represented by the symbol like this. It is represented by symbol like this. So this is the passive, one of the passive component, so that indicates the opposition of reject of the flow of electrons. Flow of electrons. What about the color coding? Color coding. So here I can show you in the next class what about the resistor type in any circuit. Resistor type in any circuit. So here resistor is comprising of, మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక సర్క్యూట్ లో చూసారనుకోండి, ఒక మదర్ బోర్డ్ కానీ ఒక ఏదైనా ఒక బోర్డు ఇంట్లో పడినప్పుడు దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసారంటే ద రెసిస్టర్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్. ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ కన్సిస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ త్రీ కలర్స్. And the last one, which is nothing but called as a tolerance. Dini tolerance antam. Tolerance. Here the first color is called as first significant digit. And second one is called as second significant digit. And third one we can write it as a in the power of tens. And the tolerance will be only two colors. One is gold color and other one is silver color. So I will show you how you can, if you can see any resistor, so in that color coding will be takes place. Our color coding ni batti dan resistance value manam cheppachu. So how you can, so daniki oka code undamma. So మీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో చెప్పుంటారు BB Roy of Great Britain having very good wife. So this is a code which you can remember to find out the resistance value. So B starts from black and B starts from brown. It is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray and white. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are numbers you can remember. So later if you are practicing more resistor values, it is very easy. It should not be not typical and difficult. So you need more practice to find out the resistor values. So here the gold is gold color. If you can observe any gold color in the resistor, so the tolerance will be take as a plus or minus 5%. If you are taking silver, if you can observe silver color, plus or minus 10%. If two colors you not observe in this area, if you can observe pink or any color, pink or any other color, we can take it as a plus or minus 20%. So let it be two examples we can take, and we will finish this class with two examples, right? So the first one in this, if you can take any one resistor having three colors, that is called as brown, black, yellow, and last color is gold. So last color is gold. Here brown, any resistor color code never starts with black. You can easily remember that one. Note this point, which means that the resistor value never starts with black. Here brown is nothing but 1. Black means, here first color is brown, second color is black means 0 into, what about the yellow means 4. So ikkada third significant em cheppanu, here the third significant will be in that, which will be taken in the form of a 10 powers. That means 10 power 4, and we can add plus or minus, gold kabatti enta iskoali, plus or minus 5%. So that is 1 into, sorry, so here ఈ యూనిట్ దేనికి నియర్ గా ఉంది, that is near to the kilo, that is near to the kilo. Kilo అంటే ఎంత 10 power 3. సో ఇక్కడ 110 ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది కాబట్టి we can remove that 10 into 10, that means ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా 10 into 10 into 10 power 3 plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 5%. 10 into 10 means 100, 10 power 3 means kilo. యూనిట్స్ ఏం చెప్పాను, సో రెసిస్టర్ పాసివ్ కాంపోనెంట్ యూనిట్ ఏమి, రెసిస్టర్ కి ఓం కాబట్టి 100 కిలో ఓం ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 5%, plus or minus 5%. This is the procedure you can easily identify the color coding and resistance value takes place easily. And last one, that is called as second, brown black brown, brown black brown, so that sorry, yellow yellow violet red comma silver. So here you can observe that yellow means 4, violet means 7 into 10 power short color రాయమన్నాను, 10 power red means 2, 10 square plus or minus silver means 10%. So here 47 into, here 110 is lagging for 10 power 3, 110 is lagging for 10 power 3. సో కాబట్టి నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే డివైడెడ్ బై 10 into 10 స్క్వేర్ into 10 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా ఈజీగా. సో 10 10 పోతే మళ్ళీ ఇదే కదా వచ్చేది. సో 47 by 10 into 10 square into 10 plus or minus 10%. So here we can strike off this 0 and place a point 4.7 into, so the bases are equal in the mathematics, we should add the power. So that means 10 cube plus or minus 10%, therefore 4.7, 10 power 3 means kilo ohm plus or minus 10% means, so this is the procedure we can easily calculate the resistor values. In the next class, reverse procedure takes place. Reverse procedure means I can give a 4.7 kilo ohm. You can easily identify the color code. Thank you. We will discuss in the next class.